And this Kanile'a KPA Baritone review. KPA. What the heck does that stand for? Don't worry. We're going to go over that and a whole bunch of other stuff in this review, so make sure you stick around. Hi, I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to ukelikethepros. We're going to go over this Kanile'a KPA Baritone. I'm going to break it down, tell you all about it. But if you don't know, we take the baritone really seriously here at ukelikethepros. Matter of fact, at ukelikethepros.com, the #1 site to learn baritone. We have courses, and we also do Q&As, challenges, everything else for all our premium members. So check it out, ukelikethepros.com. If you're new to the channel, if you dig baritone, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button. We're going to put some time stamps below, so if you want to jump around, if there's something in particular you're looking for, maybe you're researching, or maybe you like this one right here, and you can get it at the #1 store online, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. While you're here, make sure to leave a comment, smash that like button throughout this video, help this thing get out. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and break down now this KPA baritone. All right, just a little double stops. Don't worry, we're going to be doing some strumming. We'll be doing some finger picking. We're really going to get down to the heart of this. Now, KPA. All right, so Kanile'a has a bunch of different models. They have different wood grains. We're going to talk about all that. By the way, all Kanile'as, all islanders that are made or bought, they plant a koa tree to help sustain the koa wood for generations to come. And that process is actually a little bit more involved than just literally going out and dropping a seed in the ground. But it's actually a really amazing process. We won't get into it now, but just know they put a lot of time, energy into making sure that these koa trees continue to grow and flourish for generations to come. All right. So I'm a huge baritone fan. I'm a huge baritone dealer. Sell a bunch of the Kanile'a ones, and I got this one in recently, and I was like, let's do a video, because what's the difference between a normal K1-B, which is their standard K1 baritone, or K1T tenor, K1C concert, versus a KPA? And these do come in baritone. You can get them in tenor, concert, all that stuff, but this one happens to be a baritone. So that's why I wanted to do this video, so you know when you see that KPA what it stands for. Do you know what it stands for? Without Googling it, leave a comment below of what it means. I'm going to show you, matter of fact, I'm going to show you what's here, and then I'll tell you exactly what KPA means. All right, so this is the premium model. All right, let's look at the wood here. We got Premium Koa, all Hawaiian Koa, nice curly, beautiful curly Koa here. You have the Abalone Rosette, and it's just got a highlight of the tortoise, which is really, really nice. And then also this one. Oof, the binding, the tortoise shell binding here as well, which really is nice. You still got the koa, all solid koa. We don't do it any other way here. Solid koa sides, and then again this back. And the way with this koa is if you get it in different lights and angles, let me get the light out, you can see the different curl, the different flame, the different variations. So koa wood is absolutely stunning. What you see in this video, what you see in the photos, is just a part. When you get it home and you're looking at it and you're seeing all the magic and the colors and things coming to life as you turn it, that's where the magic really happens. All right, so beautiful, beautiful. I'll tell you again what the KPA is in a second. Let me do a little playing. We'll go over the neck, the dimensions, and all that stuff, but let me play something. that just kind of morphed into a few things. I do have a mic here and a mic here to help you get the true sound of this thing. All right, suspense is over. KPA, K, Koa. It's just kind of funny because all the Kanile'as are Koa for the most part. They use a few other words now and then, but most of it. P, power, and then A, Abalone. All right, so what that means here, this model, this is basically like a K1-B, you know, they're normal, but when you add the Rosette and you add the tortoiseshell, and also, by the way, they have the Abalone, Power Abalone, that's what that is. That's really it. It's this and the binding, and they change a few things up like the gold tuner. Sometimes they use silver. But other than that, it's just that. But those little nice little features, they're not really so much going to affect the sound, but just cosmetically, I think they really help the instrument pop. I like the Rosette like this, and I'm a big fan of the binding because I think it separates this Koa wood, especially here on the sides, this top binding. So anyway, really cool. All right, let's get to this. We got the satin finished neck. We already talked about the gold. These are the open gear tuners, really nice tuners. You have the ebony head plate, boom, boom. You have the 1.5 inch nut width. You have the 20-inch baritone. Let me get in there. 20-inch baritone scale length. That's from the inside of the nut to the inside of the saddle. You have the ebony fretboard, and then you have the abalone here in the inlays. A lot of times they use mother of pearl here, but on this model they use the Abalone, KPA Abalone. All right, so what do you think? Leave that comment below. Are you digging this thing? It's a really pretty. This, again, is a premium model. They have Select wood, they have Deluxe wood, and they have the Premium wood, right? So this is the top of, not the top, I'll tell you about that, but this is really the top of most of their standard production stuff. They do have master grade wood that they usually use for custom orders and some of their yearly platinums that they put out. Once in a while, I'll get a baritone that has master grade wood, but for the most part, that wood is saved for other stuff. So this is the Premium, which is really the top of their standard production type stuff. All right, let me do one more thing of playing. Don't forget, store.ukelikethepros.com if you like this or anything like that. Thanks for being here. I'll get us out of here with the blues, and then we'll wrap this thing up. How bad. I was just having some fun here. So anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate the support, subscribing to the channel, smash that like button, the comments, the like, all that kind of stuff. Really helps this channel and helps ukulele get out there. So anyway, the Kanile'a KPA Premium Baritone, store.ukelikethepros.com. If you want to find more, support us more, you can find us over on our Patreon channel and all our social media stuff. Don't forget, if you want to learn baritone, ukelikethepros.com. So that's going to do it for me. I'm out of here. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon.